Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download Messenger on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download Messenger on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search for this. And after searching, you will now be able to see this website, which is where you can download Messenger, so just go and click it. And then you can now click the download button to start downloading the app. And after clicking it, your Messenger will now be downloaded, so you can now click the file to start installing the app. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Messenger app will now be installed. So just log in your account and then you will be able to use it. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.